Crypto Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte in the Philippines, the island of Leyte. Here at my house, and we're working on renovations. Just to show you a little bit of Filipino ingenuity. You see this a lot in the Philippines. Working on a building. In America, you'd see aluminum or steel scaffolding on a building, ladders. So these guys are making a small scaffold so that they can stand on it and work on the ceiling and on the high part of the walls. So this is coconut palm. It's wood from coconut palm. And they've just put this together here in about 10 minutes. They need to brace it up. It's not complete. But that's what they're doing. So what else is going on here today? We got painting going on the outside of the house. Oh, he's taking some more lumber in to finish the scaffolding. This is Alan. He's our painter, chief painter. Hey, Alan. Say hello to YouTube. And he's rolling on the outside paint. At the same time, people are still working on the grills, painting those. So here's a pile of coconut lumber, and let's walk around back. Let's see what we got on our back. I got to get my flip flops on here, so Marcel doesn't yell at me if I get my feet dirty and then go in the house. I'm in trouble. There's Antonietta back at it again. She's got her black paint going on right now, and she's going to paint her fingernails, finish her fingernails later on, just to black toenails and fingernails all week long. So I inherited this old ladder. We're still using it. It's a death trap, but the ladies can stand on it. And here's Jocelyn. This is the mother. This is the lady who made Justin Faith. She is awesome. She's got to be just one of the best people in the world for having such a beautiful child. So. Yeah. So here's our masonry, our cement, and what else have we got? Cement and masonry, cement, and we got another kind of cement here. What is this? Oh, cement. Well, it's a little different type of cement. I'm not sure what. We got it all piled up here where to keep it out of the rain, and it did rain last night, and that's going to be used on the walls here. So we've just about finished pressure washing all of the concrete block wall, and it's ready for the cement coating. And that's what's going on today. I'll show you one other thing. I brought my tools with me. I have mechanic tools that I brought with me from the United States. I had to pay extra on my luggage because of the weight, the excess weight and excess baggage. So I got this little metal shelf, and I bought a toolbox, and that's going to be my little tool storage area. This about 1 square meter area of the house belongs to me and not to Marcel. So it's off limits, but she was in here telling me, oh, put this up here. Put this over here. She's bossing me around. She's always bossing me. So hello, Ate Alice.
Hello.
She cooks and cleans. She's a great cook. Marcel's always bossing me around. Marcel, why do you boss me around so much? Tell the people, why you boss me around so much? What? Don't act so innocent. You told me where to put stuff on my tool shelf. It's my tool shelf, Marcel. It's not yours. I embarrassed her now. That's okay. She can boss me around all she wants to. And so we're back in here. Let me show you this room was dark blue. It was dark blue, and now they've got the skim coat on, and it's almost completely white. So So Roy is in here skim coating this room. Is this the second coat? Second coat of skim coating in this room on that wall. Are you going to do the whole room? Oh, he's going to do the whole room. Okay. So we still have a lot of work to do. And got it done. So today I went to the plumbing and I got some fittings. So now I have a little shower for Maricel. This is easier for her. And we got the bidet. And I had to get a valve. I still need another valve here because I've got a little tiny drip. Everything didn't fit just the way I wanted to. I needed to come out further here. So I've got to go back to the hardware store for that. Lots of little things to do here. And that's my part of the job. All right. Well, that's it. We got some company here today, too. Let me show you our company. We got this little fella here. I don't know their names. But we got some little puppies, and they're a little bit tired. They've been playing hard today. And this one got into some paint and had to be washed off. Some acrylic paint, so it was okay. It's water-based, so I'm going to let him take a nap. And we got another one back here. Let me see if I can find the other puppy. It's even smaller. This belongs to my mother-in-law. And she brought the mother dog with her yesterday. So let's see if we can see her down here. Ate, where's the little puppy is gone. Where'd the little puppy go? I don't know. Anybody see the little puppy?
Puppy?
Little one? Little puppy. He's out here on the behind the wall. That's okay. Leave him there. Leave him there. And I'll let everybody see him on the YouTube video. So here he is. He's taking a nap. He's been playing hard today. I don't know his name. Do you know his name? Does Puppy have a name? Sleeping hard. Okay. And this, you haven't met Princess yet. This is Princess. And she spends a lot of time with Maricel. And we love Princess. She's so pretty. All right. So that's the crew today. I don't know if we have anybody else new besides Princess and the puppies. Who else do we have? Anybody new today, Jocelyn?
Yes.
Who else do we have? Alan. You met Alan. And we have a visitor. I don't know this lady. Is this a cousin? Neighbor? So this is Maricel's neighbor in Macabug. Say hello to YouTube. Hey. Oh, Eduardo. This is Maricel's other brother, Eduardo. Say hello, Eduardo. Eduardo's kind of shy. Okay. That's it for today. Tito Jeff here. Day 4 of renovations on the house in Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. And we'll keep you updated. Please like the video if you like it. If you don't, I don't know what's wrong with you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.